crispy, flavorful, tender on the inside. These rosemary potatoes are going to be your new favorite recipe to try out because they turn out amazing as always. As you can see, the potatoes have a very nice reddish color and also they're crispy and the rosemary flavor is 100%. Yeah, so grab the ingredients and let's get making this delicious rosemary roasted potatoes. Start off by preheating your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you're going to need a baking tray for the recipe. Mine is ready. Also, you're going to prep 10 to 15 potatoes. Peel, wash, and chop into medium sizes, just like this. You'll need a couple of spices. I have paprika, black pepper, salt, cooking oil, and the key ingredient is fresh rosemary, and this is around 5 sprigs of rosemary. You're going to pick your rosemary and remove the leaves, and it's quite simple. All you have to do is hold the top part of the rosemary and pull the leaves, just like that. Super easy. And once done, I'm going to chop the rosemary into, and once done, I'm going to finely chop the rosemary. Once done, you're going to go to the next step, which is going to be adding seasoning to our potatoes. So I'm going to add in my fresh rosemary to my bowl. Add in a teaspoon of paprika, a quarter teaspoon black pepper. You can also double up the ingredients to your own liking. Add salt, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix up my delicious looking marinade. Then I'm going to transfer in the potatoes. Get in and coat the potatoes with the seasoning. And my oven is ready. Adjust the seasoning a little bit by adding in some more paprika and a little bit more salt. You can also throw in some cayenne powder, which is going to add a kick of spiciness. But for me today, because the kids are going to enjoy the rosemary potatoes, the potatoes are going to be spiceless. That is what I'm trying to say. Once coated, this is how your potatoes should be looking like. As you can see, they are coated with the delicious, very flavorful oil and also the rosemary. Oh, so good. The cooking oil is also going to help the potatoes to roast evenly in the oven. You can also add in some olive oil. So once I'm done, I'm going to transfer to my baking tray. Oh, this looks so gorgeous. Scrape all the flavorful cooking oil and transfer to your tray. Then next, you're going to place the potatoes in a single layer, just like this. And once done, you're going to be roasting your very flavorful potatoes at 200 degrees Celsius for around 45 minutes to an hour, or until the potatoes are crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. It's been 1 hour and my roasted potatoes are ready. Wow, and they're looking so gorgeous. Woo, and super hot. Just look at that. They're perfectly roasted, very crispy on the outside. The inside is tender. When done plating up your rosemary potatoes, they're going to be very crispy, flavorful, since we added in some fresh rosemary and also a couple of spices. So you're going to dig in with your favorite sauce. I've added in some ketchup, which is my favorite. You can also add in a little bit of mustard for some tang, yeah? And each bite is going to be amazing. Hope you'll be giving this recipe a try.